heat transfer machine. Make sure that the machine is switched off before you start cleaning the machine. Remember to clean the machine from the top. Move on to cleaning the bottom surroundings after cleaning the top portion. Ensure that the rubber mat is in place and it is not wet. Remember, you must stand on this rubber mat while operating this machine to avoid electric shock. Now switch on the machine. Set the temperature to 176 degrees Celsius. Check the pressure. It must be as per specification in the order. Use the air regulator to set the appropriate PSI. Using this dial, you can set the timing for the press. For example, now it is set for 12 seconds. Now holding the black handle, turn the top to your right. Take a temperature measurement strip. Place it in the center of the bed as shown. Notice that it has all boxes in red color with different temperature marked. Holding the black handle, turn the top of machine to its original position. Now press the black push buttons with both hands. This brings the top portion down and it touches the bed. Do not touch the top with bare hands as it will be very hot. After the set timing, the presser will go up automatically. Holding the black handle, turn the top to your right and check the temperature measurement strip. Notice that the white portion has turned grey and black till 177 degrees Celsius. This indicates that the correct temperature has reached. Once the temperature, air pressure and timings are set correctly, you can start the production. Place the garment pieces on the left side of the machine. Keep the bundle of stickers on your right side. Now holding the black handle, turn the top to your right. Now place two pieces of garments side by side on heating bed. The correct placement for this will be pre-marked for you by the supervisor. Place the stickers upside down correctly at the marked position. Be meticulous about the correct placement. Holding the black handle, turn the top of the machine to its original position. Now press the black push buttons with both hands. This brings the top portion down and it touches the bed. After the set timing, the presser will go up automatically. Holding the black handle, turn the top to your right. Remove the pieces and keep to your right side. Place the other new pieces on the heat bed and repeat the same procedure. Here, we are repeating the procedure for you to observe carefully and understand the same thoroughly. You should peel the stickers for the already pressed pieces after you have pressed the black buttons for the next set of pieces. Remember, every piece should be carefully handled. Switch off the machine when not in use. Before closing for the day, remember to clean it again.